Currently we're 105,000 square feet. We have 12 forming machines that range in capability and size. We decided to go with SyncShow because we were sold on the sophistication. The sales sync meeting was something that we were a bit nervous about going into, but really was very organized from start to finish. It was not a very long time commitment. It was not, yeah, we can look at this, yeah, we can think about this. It was really, there was a plan set in place from the very beginning. What followed up was the web sync side, which really kind of enlightens you to, here is the digital presence that you should try to get out there for people. We had, as most typical manufacturers, gotten to a point where we had ignored our digital presence, really didn't realize the gravity of a digital presence. We had a website that was a decade old. We were not getting any leads directly from the website. I think the biggest thing for us is the traffic that we are starting to see via the web. Honestly, at the very beginning of this was very skeptical. I, being more of a traditional type of person, thought, who is really going to pay attention to this? Content is a huge thing that we previously never had to worry about. SyncShow helped us write with content and publish an article that we had put out there on our website for download. And within a 5-day period, we saw just a tremendous amount of interest in this, to the point where we had over 24 leads as a result of what we had published with the help of SyncShow. All of these things being new to me, it was nice to have the information that SyncShow could provide to come back and say, this is what we're seeing and this is what you should be focused on. And here's how we're going to get there.